On the 2007, so on the Mk2 Focus, this is a 1.6 Zetec Duratec engine, and so there's two. Watch out for the alternators. There's two. There's an 80 amp and a 105 amp, and so I had the 80 amp, but I should have got the 105, and the bolts, the brackets, nearly line up. They're literally just a mil out, so as you're turning the thread in, it's just catching it, but so it seems like it's the right one, but it's not. If you're getting that, then you've probably got the wrong one. So anyway, I went back to Euro Car Parts and swapped it over for the right one, so we'll see how it goes. So I've just done up the bottom bracket, so it's just a bit, so it's in there but loose. You can see the belts pulling the whole thing over to the left a bit, so the top ones don't line up. So I'm just going to use the crowbar to lever the top here against the bodywork there, and just make sure I'm not putting any pressure on the pulley itself or anything else. So just putting some pressure against the casting, and just see if I can get the bolts lined up. Not sure, should be using a crowbar on this, but hey, what gets the job done. So the bottom one's still in quite loose, the belt's on properly, so I've just pushed it across with the crowbar it's on the side of the engine bay there, and pushed it across. The stud's gone in okay. The bolt I need to sort of line up a bit better, but we'll see what happens. Definitely need to be really careful not to cross thread anything, and definitely don't want to be messing this up. Okay, so this is slightly annoying. Before you do up the bottom bracket on the alternator, don't forget to put the guard, the belt guard that the power steering reservoir fits onto. The bottom part of it there goes, the bolt for the bottom bracket is supposed to go through it, so I'm going to have to take this all off and do it again. So I've put the bottom bracket on with the guard, so the guard now fits up against this, so the bolts go through the guard. Just double check the pulley at the bottom again, she's lined up. Right, so I'm going to try again. Alright, so that's all bolted in now. I don't know, these RTX alternators you get from Euro Car Parts, but both of them, these plastic guards here, are too close together to get the spade connector over, so I'm going to have to snap it off. But both of them are like that. Anyway, hopefully it's the right one. So I've plugged the other connector back in down there, it just snaps in. That one I'm going to have to snap these guards off to screw in. Yeah, these two are nice and tight. Bottom one, it's a bit fiddly with this guard, but it's okay. The belts are on the top and bottom, so I'm just going to get that one on and then give it a go. The headlight, the Torx, so the top is a T30 Torx, so those two are 15mm, that's a 10mm, 15mm at the bottom down there. And this Torx, I needed a Torx socket for that, which I couldn't get on Saturday, so I got this kit from Screwfix. These. Now they come in a pack, and you can see the end. Although it's a regular socket, it's got like curved corners, so the curved corners fit nicely on the edge of the Torx thing. So a 6mm one of those worked, but it'd be much better to get a proper Torx or TX Star socket to fit on there. But I didn't damage it using that. I'll put a link just below the video to the part anyway. So this bit is to cover up the live off the alternator there, but because this alternator had the protecting plastic siding on it, I had to split them off. Then this won't fit back over it, so that's not protected now. which is really annoying, but you know, not the end of the world I guess if it works. So anyway, it's all back together. Just need to put the live back on. That's a 10 top now, I think. Yeah. And then I will start it up. So just starting it up now. Give it a go. So when I started the car, the red light was still on the battery when it was running, but so I came around here, tested it on the multimeter, and you can see that's pretty healthy, 14.3 with it running. So I just went back around and checked it, and thankfully the battery light's gone off now. So the battery light was on for about a minute after I started it, but all looks good. So yeah, job done. Everything seems to be running fine.